Dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Star's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. If you have any mathematical query, doubts, or anything, you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Again, you can have any, if you have any other query, so please feel free to drop an email to our email ID, which is souravstarclasses@gmail.com, if you need any help from us. Okay, so then you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, and you can join our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NBHM, PUMDET also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the PUMDET in the year of 2024. That means the last year. And the question is telling us that the sum of all positive integers less than 101 and prime to 101 is. This is a super easy question, because if we take this thing, that means we know that 101 is prime itself. We know that. So any number to it, that means if we take 1 2 3 dot 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 up to 100, all the numbers which is less than 101, they all are coprime to it. That means they told that the sum, we have to find the sum of all positive integers less than 101 and prime to 101. So that means we have to find the positive integers less than 101. The positive integers less than 101 are what? They are 1 2 3 up to 100, and they all are coprime to it because our 101 is itself a prime number. So after that, what can be done? So we have to only find this thing. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is up to 100. We have to only calculate this thing. So that will be what? We know that we can use here this formula in into n plus 1 by 2. If we take our that is equals to what? 1 plus 2 up to n. We know that. So our this is summation of this. So applying this formula in this given thing, we will get 100 into 101 by 2, and 2 and 100 will cancel out. So we will get 50. Then we will get 5050. So this is the correct answer of this question. Okay. So yeah. So this is our question, and the correct answer of this question will be our option C. Again, I am telling that if you have any other queries or any other problem if you have, then please feel free to contact us. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of any other method, any other mathematical uh, examinations, etc. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.